Welcome to the top best. The best Oakley Jawbone Replacement Lenses is probably one of the most essential upgrades you can make to your favorite shades, especially if you're an athlete or outdoor enthusiast who demands peak performance and clarity from your eyewear. These aren't just simple replacements, they are precision-engineered components designed to restore and even enhance the original optical experience of your Oakley Jawbone sunglasses, ensuring you maintain a competitive edge whether you're on the trail, the court, or the slopes. Number 5. Oakley Racing Jacket and Jawbone Vented Lenses. Enhance your vision with our premium replacement lenses. Designed specifically for your Oakley Racing Jacket and Jawbone Vented sunglasses, they offer superior clarity and protection. Experience unparalleled visual performance. These lenses are crafted to provide a crisp, clear view, ensuring you don't miss a detail, no matter the conditions. Engineered for a seamless fit, these lenses integrate perfectly with your existing frames. Enjoy improved airflow and comfort thanks to the vented design. Built to last, our lenses are made from high-quality materials. They are designed to withstand the rigors of your active lifestyle, providing long-lasting performance. Choose the perfect option to match your style and needs. We offer a variety of choices to ensure you find exactly what you're looking for. What we like. These offer excellent ventilation to prevent fogging during intense activities. If you're a cyclist or runner who sweats a lot, these are a great choice. They come in multiple options, so you can find the perfect tint for your needs. What people say. They are super clear and really help cut down on the windshield glare. The replacements are optically great. No distortion whatsoever. They fit perfectly into the frames. They even come with a storage cleaning bag, just like the Oakleys. Number 4. OOWLIT Replacement Lenses for Oakley Jawbone Racing Jacket Vented. Experience unparalleled clarity with our premium replacement lenses. Designed for optimal performance, they ensure your vision remains sharp and unobstructed. These lenses are meticulously crafted to meet the demands of your active lifestyle. Enjoy enhanced durability and a perfect fit for your favorite frames. Stay comfortable no matter the conditions. The integrated ventilation system helps prevent fogging, keeping your view clear during intense activities. Specifically designed for a seamless fit with Oakley Jawbone and Racing Jacket frames. Installation is quick and easy, so you can get back to your adventures in no time. Shield your eyes from harmful UV rays and impacts. Our lenses offer superior protection without compromising on style or optical quality. Give your existing eyewear a new lease on life. These replacement lenses are the perfect solution to refresh your look and enhance your performance. What we like. These lenses provide a good balance of quality and affordability. They are compatible with both Jawbone and Racing Jacket models. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to refresh your sunglasses without compromising too much on clarity, these are a solid pick. What people say. Recipient loved them. Hasn't put them in yet but was wowed by the color. Excellent product. Number 3. Revant Replacement Lenses for Oakley Jawbone Vented. Experience sharp, distortion-free visuals in any condition. These lenses are ideal for daily wear and ensure you can easily see LCD screens on your phone or in your car. Protect your eyes from harmful UVA and UVB rays, preventing discomfort and long-term damage. They also meet impact-resistant standards for added durability. Keep your lenses clear for longer with our protective anti-scratch coating. This feature helps maintain optimal visibility during all your activities. Our lenses are precisely shaped with the correct optical curvature, not just bent. This reduces eye strain, making them perfect for driving, fishing, or any activity requiring precision. These replacement lenses are precision-measured and cut for an exact match to your Oakley Jawbone Vented sunglasses. Enjoy a perfect fit every time. What we like. Experience distortion-free vision and superior eye protection with these lenses. They offer 100% UV protection and meet impact-resistant standards. If you demand optical clarity and durability for sports or everyday wear, these are an excellent upgrade. What people say. The vents on the Revant lenses are totally cool. I mean my eyelids, and eye socket area, do not perspire, when it's hot, or working on a project, like they did with the OEM lenses. Holding these next to my original lenses, there is no difference in color. An exact match. The mirroring on these are ever so slightly greater, but it is a minor increase. Looking through the glasses, the polarizing of the lenses seems identical. I tested by putting one of these lenses in my jawbone and leaving the other original Oakley lens in place. Holding the glasses away from my face while looking at sun reflecting into my face and rotating the glasses, it was obvious that both lenses cut down the glare considerably. Number 2. Revant Replacement Lenses for Oakley Jawbone. Give your Oakley Jawbone sunglasses a new lease on life. Revant offers high-quality replacement lenses designed for a perfect fit. Experience unparalleled clarity with our advanced lens technology. See the world as it's meant to be seen, without distortion. These lenses are built to last, providing superior impact resistance. They also offer full UV protection to keep your eyes safe. Swapping out your old lenses is a breeze. Our design ensures a quick and simple installation process, no tools required. Choose from a wide range of colors and tints to match your style and needs. Personalize your eyewear effortlessly. We stand behind our products with a commitment to quality. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase of these premium replacement lenses. What we like. Engineered for a seamless fit, these lenses ensure your sunglasses function as intended. They are precision cut to match your jawbone frames exactly. If you've had issues with ill-fitting replacement lenses before, these are designed to solve that problem. What people say. These lenses are as good as the original manufacturer lenses and 40% the price. They fit perfect and they are stunning in the frame. They fit perfectly. I recommend for whom wants a blackout lenses. Number 1. Galaxylense Replacement Lenses for Oakley Jawbone. Introducing Galaxylense Replacement Lenses, designed to give your Oakley Jawbone sunglasses a new lease on life. Experience superior clarity and protection with our high-quality lenses. This set includes 7 pairs of lenses, offering you versatility and value. You'll have the perfect pair for any occasion or activity. Enjoy enhanced visual comfort with polarized technology. They effectively reduce glare, making your vision sharper and more comfortable, especially in bright conditions. Engineered for a precise fit, these lenses seamlessly integrate with your Oakley Jawbone frames. Enjoy a secure and stable fit that won't compromise your eyewear's performance. And the best part? We're offering free shipping on this incredible offer. Get your new lenses delivered right to your doorstep at no extra cost. What we like. Get a fantastic deal with this multi-pack offering. You receive 7 pairs of polarized lenses, ensuring you always have a fresh option. If you're someone who likes to switch lens tints frequently or wants maximum value, this bundle is unbeatable. What people say. The lenses fit perfectly into my Oakley Jawbone frames. The clarity of these replacement lenses is excellent, making a noticeable difference in vision. They offer great protection against glare and UV rays, which is essential for outdoor activities. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.